Well, clearly, whenever you're in a recovery stage, the better properties in the better locations are those that will do well first. And so we're seeing the trophy or core type assets in Manhattan probably increased in value in 2010 versus 2009. Unfortunately, those assets make up only about 3% of the total sales that occurred last year. There were 49 properties in the city that traded for over $50 million out of 1,667 total sales. So you see it's a very narrow band of the marketplace. But those core assets started to perform well last year. We are expecting that throughout this year, the better quality assets in Manhattan will appreciate at the greatest rate, and generally Manhattan properties will start to appreciate. What is lagging are the secondary and tertiary locations within the outer boroughs. There we're seeing continued stress on property value and underlying fundamentals, and that is not unexpected. Coming out of every downturn, Manhattan has always led the marketplace, and this recovery is proving to be no different.